the top 3 things that inspectors look for in a home inspection. I'm Shelley with the Holz Group at Keller Williams Realty. And the short answer to this question is inspectors look for everything. They are paid to find problems in a home. So it is a thorough report with pages of suggestions, deferred maintenance that might be caught, issues that they find, and ways to just suggest that you maintain the property. But here are the key things that they do look for. Number 1 is with the structure. They are looking at the roof, the siding, the foundation, the windows. They're looking to see how is the property maintained and is there any issues that are going to cause structural damage to the property owner, the buyer, when they purchase the property. Number 2 is they're testing the mechanicals. So your HVAC system, your furnace, boiler, air conditioning, hot water system, all of those systems that run the house, the mechanicals, they're testing to see how old they are and are there any issues. And lastly is your overall systems that run the home in plumbing and electrical. They're looking to see if there's any leaks, if electrical is safe, and any issues there. Those are the top 3 areas that inspectors are going to dig into in their home inspection of any property. If you're thinking about selling, let's get out ahead of the home inspection and reach out and ask us questions that you might have lingering in your property, and we'll make sure you're prepared before you even put your home on the market. Just reach out and give us a call at 651-998-9829.